Hi girls and guys and modelers and repair people. Look what I got today. I got my Grex airbrush. Came in today. I'm so happy. My wife got it for me, and it was something I really needed, as you know, because I can't spray any models without it. And they include a nice little cleaning brushes with it. And look at this. It's got two sides to it. You can hook up your paint pot on this side or the right side. It's built very well. It's hefty, and the trigger's nice and smooth. And it's got another paint pot here, and a paint bottle here, and a fan here, and a bushing here, and a wrench. So I wanted to show you this, and I hope you guys are doing good today. I'm going to go hook this up to the compressor. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell to the right, and have a great day.